Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you in a very specific tutorial the following topic. I'm going to be talking about the following topic. That didn't quite make sense, so I'm going to try that again. I'm going to be talking about the following topic, and I will be specifically showing you and telling you how to set the time on a Honeywell Programmable Thermostat, and this will be an easy tutorial. So once again, an easy tutorial showing you and telling you how to set the time on a Honeywell Programmable Thermostat, just like this one right over here. So it's actually pretty easy to do for the most part. Now you just need a few buttons. Now when you press any of these buttons for the first time, it's just going to illuminate the screen. So I'm going to press this button and it's going to illuminate the screen. What I want to do is I want to press the menu button. Okay, then I'm going to use the plus or minus buttons to scroll to where it says time. Okay, here's time. I'm going to press the select button. So I'm going to select the select button. Okay, you're going to choose between a 12-hour or a 24-hour clock. I'm going to leave it at 12-hour clock right here. Press select, okay, on whichever option you want. And then as you can see, the time is flashing. I can now use plus or minus to adjust the time, okay? So it says 11:43 a.m., which is the time right now. I can use plus to go to 12:43 p.m., or, I'm going to leave it at the right time, which is 11:43 a.m. Once you've selected your time, okay, so, 11:43 a.m., I'm going to press, once you've selected the hour, because it's 11 right now, you can change just the hour at first, 12, right? I changed to 12, 1, 2, and so forth. I'm going to leave it at 11, okay? So once you've selected the hour, you can push select, then you can select the minute, and once you've selected the minute, you can push select, and then it has been saved now. And that's basically it. That is how to set the time on your Honeywell Programmable Thermostat, and you can go back to the home screen at any time by pressing the home button like that. And that's basically it. That is how to set the time on this thermostat. Really, really easy to do. Hopefully you enjoyed this simplistic and quick tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.